Hello Ooni lovers and soon to be Ooni lovers. My name is Kristinn Guðmundsson. I'm here in beautiful Mjóifjörður in the East Fjords of Iceland. It's a good season now. We're having blueberry season. So I've been picking some blueberries and I'm gonna make a blueberry pizza. Or the sauce, the base. The base is, yeah, the sauce in the pizza is blueberry sauce, blueberry red wine sauce. So we have like touch of Iceland and touch of, yeah, wherever this red wine is from. So get ready. Close to the waterfall, it was a bit too crowded, so I decided to take the oven here. Peace and quiet. I'm gonna start to make the sauce. So we take the Ooni cast iron pan and we're gonna chop a red onion. This will work. We have a beautiful, beautiful day in Iceland now. A little bit of olive oil. Just soften the onions. They are soft. Blueberries that I just picked earlier. We need to open the red one. And now we just need to boil this a bit down. And then we have ourselves a pizza sauce. Little pinch of salt. Just to get the screaming taste of the blueberries and the red wine out. This we need to reduce by at least 50%. It should be quite dense. While this is reducing, I want to do something to this meat. I would want to put some chili in it, some chili flakes. Some salt. But I don't want to put too much because this lamb meat has been grazing around Iceland in these, basically these mosses that you see here around. In the birch tree over there, the moss, the berries, they've been like soaking it in for the whole summer. So I'm basically just gonna put chili because we don't have so much chili growing here in Iceland. And salt to kind of drag out the flavor of the meat. The sauce has thickened and is ready. I think I've never seen so excited dough in my life. But normally it's very cold. But now it's very excited. start with the sauce. This crazy purple sauce. Looks like it's going the dessert direction, but it isn't. Then we put some lamb meat. Thin layer because it's only going in there for 90 seconds or so. And then in between we break over some Stilton cheese. It's time. Now the wood fire is dragged over by the chimney over the pizza. We'll cook the pizza, cook the dough, cook the meat. Thankfully, it takes only 90 seconds to make pizzas with Ooni ovens because I get so excited. I believe that the pizza is ready. Woo. Look at this beautiful pizza. Here. And this is my setting. Whew. I haven't named this pizza yet. Comment down below what I should call this pizza. I don't know. Maybe just Mjóifjörður, something like that. Oh wow. This pizza tastes of Iceland. It's the blueberries, it's the kind of the fermentation that we get through the cheese, and then the lamb meat that kind of cuts through with this kind of gamey taste that lamb has, especially here in Iceland, free grazing around. My name is Kristinn Guðmundsson. I am the host of the cook show Soð here in Iceland on the national radio. I'm honored to show you around here in Iceland and show you some crazy pizzas. Till next time. Ciao! Það er komin pizza! Það má koma og fá sér!